Alright, so welcome to Pbtech. I'm Prince, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set or solve your sound problem. Okay, so most often you're going to find out that a particular channel is not playing a sound, or maybe all the channels are not playing sound. Okay, so if it happens to be that all the channels that you scan for on a particular TP, all of them are not playing, or maybe majority of them, only few of them are playing, but majority of them are not playing at all. The pictures are not coming out, but the sound, you're gonna hear some sound underground. Okay, so whenever you experience this on your decoder or on your channels, all you got to do is to know that the FTA decoder that you are using can't play most of the AD channels. We have channels of AD that you need a second generation, meaning MPEG-4 decoder to play. So get a new decoder, get a new HD decoder that can play that set of channels, and that problem will be solved. Okay, so in case maybe a particular channel is not, the video is showing all right, everything is working, but the sound, you can't hear any sound. All the channels, there is a sound over there, but one particular channel, there is no sound. Most often, either the problem is coming from the TV providers. If the problem is from the TV providers, meaning you can't do anything at all. So all you got to do is to check whether the problem is coming from the TV providers. Okay, so you pick up your FTA decoder remote. Every FTA decoder, you're gonna find out that there is an audio button. Okay, so look for the audio button and then press on it. Put it on the exact channel that the audio is not playing. You can't put it on a different channel and then change the settings and then expecting to reflect on that channel. It won't work. Okay, so put it on the exact channel and then press on the audio button and then change it to mono, stereo, left and right, but you need to volume it up to know which one brings you the sound. And if you change it, all these 4 different settings, and then there is no audio, meaning the problem is coming from the TV providers and you can't do anything to get the sound. Okay, so if you are in Ghana, you're gonna experience this most often on GOTV channel. They are the most common channel that they are having audio problems most of the time. Alright, so that's it for today. If you find this video helpful and you are new here, subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, like the video, share on other platforms that accept YouTube videos, and you'll be blessed. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless.